So let me just create a short video because taod-taod na jud pud nga wala ako naka-upload no. So lately there is this trending incident and it is the shooting in Ateneo de Zamboanga. So unsa ba akong thoughts sana? Uh, it's not new nga naay ga shoot kay lately we've had those issues unfortunately tungod kay na-influence sa platforms like maybe with I don't know with Roblox or maybe with social media or maybe na ay lacking sa parenthood or whatsoever. Now these things are not new. Kay unfortunately it's been going on. It's been happening and I agree with all others na dapat malihukan, dapat ma-address na siya concern, no? But what I'm more concerned and where I'm really interested is since kani siya is di ko ano siya, di Facebook live man siya, no? Dili man siya gi-edit, dili man siya kanang ni-take time pa para ipakita kung unsa gusto niya ipakita. Di Facebook live yun niya. So that's where I'm interested. Kung unsa bay rason ngano gusto niya ipakita sa tanan ang iyang gibuhat. Naa ba siya'y kalagot to a specific person? Naa ba siya'y gusto ipalabas sa sa parents, sa teachers, sa students? I'm really interested with that. Unsa kay gadagan sa iyang utok ngano need pa niya Facebook Live? Is it just a task, no? Because of an influence or a command from who knows, the dark web or whatsoever. No? It's very interesting. What about you? What do you think? Unsa kay say thoughts mo about aning incident?